Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are good and fine. First of all, I am Jobair Hussain. I am from Noakhali. It's situated in Sitagang division. Basically, Noakhali is a riverland because so many rivers flowed in Noakhali. It looks like Fodma River, Bhamani River, and Feni River. Uh, that's why we have so many historical places like Musafur Closure, Gandhi Ashram, and Bajra Shahi Masjid, Bajra Shahi Mosque, and that's why so many tourists came here for visit these places. And we have so many famous people in our Noakhali. Our looks like our speaker Shirin Sharmin Chaudhuri, our we have a one freedom fighter. His name is Bishreshth Ruhul Amin, and we have Kabila also. I think everyone knows Kabila, and I think he represents our Noakhali in whole world. Thank you so much. That's all about my hometown for time being.